Math is hard. But have you ever wondered which math class is the hardest in college? One course has a failure rate of over 50%, and some students even drop out because of it. Let's break down the most brutal college math courses and see if you could survive them. Alright, let's dive into the top 5 hardest college math courses, ranked from hard to impossible. Number 5, Calculus 3, also known as multivariable calculus. The failure rate is around 25 to 40%. It's taught at heavyweights like MIT, Harvard, Stanford, and UCLA. Why is it so tough? Triple integrals, vector calculus, Green's theorem. Homework can easily take over 10 hours per week. Next up, number 4, real analysis. The failure rate here jumps to 40 to 50%. You'll find this one at Harvard, Princeton, and UC Berkeley. It's the theory behind calculus. No formulas, just proofs. Say goodbye to memorization and hello to proving everything from scratch. Moving on to number 3, abstract algebra. Here, the failure rate is a staggering 45 to 55%. MIT, Cambridge, and Caltech are known for this course. Forget numbers. This is all about groups, rings, and fields. Many students fail their first proof-based exam. Now for number 2, topology, also known as rubber sheet geometry. The failure rate is 50 to 60%. You'll find it at Oxford, Stanford, and Berkeley. You study spaces and shapes that don't exist in real life. Like a coffee cup equals a donut? Seriously, that's topology. And finally, the biggest challenge, mathematical logic and set theory. This one has a failure rate of 60 to 70%, with some universities hitting 80%. Harvard, Yale, Princeton, and MIT all teach it. You have to prove the foundation of mathematics itself. Gödel's incompleteness theorem is a real mind-bender. The dropout rates are insane. Many students quit math altogether because of this course. So why are these courses so hard? For one, abstract thinking. No numbers, just symbols and logic. They're proof-based, meaning you must explain everything with zero shortcuts. The homework load is brutal. Some courses require 20+ hours per week. And let's not forget the high dropout rates. Many students change their major after these classes. Now here's a question for you. Would you survive these courses? If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which course you think is the toughest.